Okay, we are now ready to put together our nonfiction page. So the first thing we want to do is we want to put a title at the top. So just like before, we're going to go to click on T, and we must spell the name of our dinosaur with a capital. So capital, and then make sure you're spelling it correctly. Now, if you see the red squiggly line underneath, that means you didn't spell it correctly. So you can right-click on top of the word, and it will say, "Did you mean this?" And it will give you the correct spelling. If I have to be inside the text box. If I click on the end and highlight all the way down, I can make it bigger. About 36 or 48, but I wouldn't go any bigger than that. If I pull in, we want to always make sure the box goes around our words. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the pronunciation. So we're going to add a T for text box, and then click, and now we're ready to write. So we need to make a parentheses. So we need to hold down the shift and then press the number 9, and it will give us the left parentheses. So hold down the shift and press the 9. Now, we are going to write how we spell it. And we want each syllable. After the syllable, we're going to do the hyphen. The hyphen is located next to the 0. So if you press it, no shift, just press it, you'll get the hyphen. So hyphen, and then you can finish the pronunciation. So once we finish the pronunciation, you are ready for the right parenthesis. So we hold down the shift and we press the 0 to make the right parentheses. So I hold down the shift and press the 0. Now I have my pronunciation. If you want, you can, inside the words, if I click, hold down, I can make it a little bit bigger. So I can go to the font size, and it has to be smaller than my other one. Okay, like that would be 24, would be way too big. 18 is a good size. I can also go to the A, because many times the text is italicized, okay? So we can make it look like it's going sideways. So again, I pull in and make sure that the box is just enough around, and I can put that underneath the title. So you can so here is my title all set and ready to go. Okay, now we're ready to add the text of our paragraph. So we're going to go up to the T and we're going to click. And this time we're going to make our text go long. Okay? So we also next we're going to go to the pencil, not the bucket, but where it says line color. And we can click on that and make it black. That way our paragraph will have a special box that will go around it. So now we're ready to start typing. Remember, a capital at the beginning and then a space in between each word. So when you finish your typing, remember you have one space in between words. After any kind of punctuation, the punctuation comes right after the word, whether it's a comma or a period, and then the space comes after. And we always have a space after the period. So don't forget to make sure you have your spelling correct. And if you don't, you can always right-click and try to find the spelling. So now you are finished with the typing. Go ahead and finish yourselves.